been a month yet. And Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School, they had their SRC week celebration. Na the ekosi ne say omoni Opemsuo be di nkomo. Enti mo am follow your pages no, you saw say any omo di nkomo wo fie ha. Jumedi omo di during the SRC week we were there to offer our help in terms of media coverage and then also publicity. They also be an it's me and kama Emma amanfo enso ehunu ye. Afterwards, no, there's been conversations afterwards. Jumedi ne said ye call ye. Post we bring we've been reading the comments. For your helpful in idea Google her more expressing, happiness seeing such things that goes on into our secondary school cycle. No, for once, put that shine on it. Mama Johnny live on Facebook. Ne card them to me and hubi. Now, ma who say they be to so as we go. Prepare no. We have a whole movie. So yeah, the bema more. So will be on our pages. Until we heard that mother shas here, cooking night, fireside there no, or more enantiba men shapa sebe proper ha cleaning her, or more talent evenings. Jumedi in the omo ye we did our best to tackle every aspect of events now a course or no. You putting in that together. Na amount for so they had their debate session, and so among would debate for and then against. Nina was to strengthen and crown power in terms of they talking, they speaking. They had Miss Sense Savvy. Serwaa Nyarko Girls School Nina sheda we feel muyi obaba kwa no ena suku ni can say or no na nim ye debate to school in terms of beauty pageantry and then all that. They had their cultural day, they had their food day. And can participate fully in all the activities that went on. You're sharing on our page, Opemsuo Radio SHS, and even on Opemsuo, so you're able to on our YouTube pages and then everything. And I wahana and penny for me, from Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School. That's why I inti mama makwaba na memo mumbo muding na Bruni Beka. She state their mission, vision, and aim here. You're putting in that together. Pacho mama kwaba.
Yeah, ija.
Pacho mumba mic na mama na yankasa. Aha. Mon feel free. Aha mufi. Pacho dia waha mona mewie.
Ewie dia boko.
Odo maka be sha se mama udin ne a position na manfo ahunu. Ni patitiri wa menya na me ni din komo ewie.
Pacho friend Patricia Kluchi. Assistant head administration.
Okay.
Area de muye ha boko. My headmistress, Mrs. Esther Jessie Sapon. Na asmaye ewofi hase. So throughout our SRC week, Opemsuo said the outcome enimu bedi nkomo. Na mo boy bebre in terms of coverage and online streaming ne bibia. Tie a yentimi enka se ye wie ne saa tie wie de ye baaya aseda enti na ye nam ye ni so de moye ma ye ni na tie ba ha aseda ena ye wraye estagyesi sapon asoma ye se yemfa emre Opemsuo FM.
Okay,
acho me das
bacho mat me hoza obanyo nko na ban pacho oda ma bacho nso din
FM Loretta Arthur. My house mistress, Sanye, patron for the LG.
Okay. Me jiri se ni nyina nso ye the conversation ama me dey buy. Mo de krata bi buy na me pe na maka krata no musem kakra. E de aka de assistant head e ka tre yi. Oze the manager of Opemsuo Radio Kumasi Ashanti DS or madam as usual. You could school near chess abroad when who try letter formal letter DSL or madam when who try now Bassi how are yours faithful sure Dimitri say a year was see a letter of appreciation for sponsorship of SRC week celebration 2026. The management staff and students of Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School extend our profound gratitude to Opemsuo Radio for your invaluable support during our 2026 SRC week celebration from 24th March to 29th March 2026. Your media coverage and publicity before and during the event significantly boosted attendance and student participation. The announcements and live mentions on your platform gave our celebration the recognition it deserved and helped showcase the talent of our girls to the wider Kumasi community. We are grateful for your dedication to youth empowerment and for using your platform to highlight positive educational activities. Partnerships with respected media houses like Opemsuo Radio inspire our students to aim higher. We hope to collaborate with you again on future school programs. Kindly accept this letter as a mark of our sincere appreciation. Thank you for being the voice that amplified our celebration. Yours faithful, Esther Jessie Sapon, Mrs. Headmistress, Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School. I just for said assistant headmistress and Serwaa Nyarko SRC week celebration now mudi with various activities up him so ye ni omoko kambo mu ye de ho coverage ba ye and na omaba me be da say headmistress me gidi say we offered the coverage ye ho bibia we did this aside that and I say even with that is there any improvement ade bi wo ho no ma na bia say Serwaa Nyarko for e pese mo bon ho deru a through this SRC week it me bo ama na boy and I said there's still some whereby when you akwanya idea tie for ne ahwefo nyina ahwe akwanya ne so da ho if say ebi ni ho a obetimi aka ebi nso na you want to make mention of it in so a me this akwanya ne so ho
but you me das the course di na one Serwaa Nyarko ni the only secondary school e wo yempesua yi so
yeah
tini pese ye mindful ehuyen a mo boy so me pese me use sa opportunity ya yenyen e de ka kakra de kire ye tie for say ye school yi e wo ho e ma ye ni na e na ye san so oni o ma bebra school ni hia ye hia philanthropist ni obi bia owo pepa se oboa school no in terms of infrastructure school na be krom ni nti ema e preferred choice to say nipa na enya St. Louis wanya ya santo a the next choice Serwaa Nyarko ti ama ye enrollment keeps what increasing each year enrollment so increase and facilities so a e wo so should have been what increase ti yes adofo eni etiefo ye pamcho obi a opepa se obeboa school no enyini no providing of computers ebeboa ye mai bibia ye ICT lab here computers ye science lab here science equipment ye home economics so emaya here enuoma ebeboa omo ama omo di omo dwumadi machines ye clothing ewo ho ti obi a opepa se obeboa school no yes no akwanya wo ho ye doors there is always hoping anopa obia wo ho time bi obefrɛ bia no yesoso ye beden ye bebie ekwan no anase se obefrɛ kra se true Opemsuo se omanya sponsorship bia maya ye de aho keka ebeso tiwe kakra na mepese etiefo so eti efa e school no
okay for just as headmistress kan ye mu bi on so as Opemsuo Radio mama putting in that way ni say you rush school money whom said the school boasts of a lot of youth students here said the headmistress kind infrastructure need be braina beba but I think I can say on kakra authority kakra menya wopim so say for the plea the headmistress they my shouldn't be taken lightly because her Serwaa Nyarko as a school in terms of sports they are doing marvelous in terms of even school track records and so who said they are doing well I think basic facilities in your ma or honoma headmistress so they are we didn't just partner you for the SRC week in Nkwa growing idea you nano the ebe just as a harm you welcome anytime you can walk in and so no if one so her say any other Jumedi be a course was Serwaa Nyarko be a year good for the public eye I see the bar bontain about who the Roma man for who need Opemsuo be doing our best now me say nya krata nkwam de ba mo de bi foforo so ba amba present am madam Lotin SRC week SRC for nso bibi aboko de SRC after mo SRC week mahu improvements bi wo ho the SRC as a body na ankasa nso no ade a mo de see money so say you want to achieve during mo SRC week you bet make say mo achieve here and I said there's still room for improvement and I said what you've seen so far is good but then most more 1 or 2 be I want to put across for amount for to be home.
But I say so far so good. What we expected the Sakai, but yen to make us say one the sky is our limit. Yen drew ho. So
okay.
So far, so good.
Nice one. Then a crown on the Kai Krata on the brain.
A citation for you being our media partner.
Okay.
Okay. Adam must show your appreciation.
Okay.
Okay. So citation in honor of Opemsuo, presented to Opemsuo 104.7 FM. We sincerely thank Opemsuo Media for partnering with us to make our SRC Week celebration a huge success. Your support amplified our vibes, connected us to the wider community, and kept our voices heard. From captivating live coverage to strategic promotions, your contributions elevated the entire experience for our students and stakeholders. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you.
Thank you. But freedom, I sure say, literature, Madam Wana. Because Brofuna know the thank you. It's for a citation in here. You want photos on native phone. A citation in here. Me receive away on behalf of our general manager and our CEO. Miss Smith Maka say, near so new Bibiana, only boom ya dia, Niso Basse, no, and I make us Opemsuo so as a company, no. See a casse, ye nyam faso dear in collaborating with the Wenya na Ntrona Yetra. Into make us the relationship, ye no more grown idea. It will be something mini authority need to say, but I think me penny phone so better as here when I say, you better also. Na yet me and nature more pa. It must say, dear mamma, when you saw ya on some of them once there, but have a muffy said I'm a kind be full be a who be and be say, ye be and ye beat me. I just the other was okay.
Mr. Black,
Casaguma,
no, you had to talk about fee. Free no go through BC. Now, Michelle had the SRC week in Quache and say, that's my trailer.
Yeah.
She was targeting Monica's.
Yeah.
But his name is Nagri Abba.
Ebasonia.
In any pushy pa.
Yeah.
I'm pushing for infrastructure.
You don't push your nose. Don't pay the American because
but me that say before will be a bit me aka. I said no more the idea bread by a fidi. Enti se bi aseda no foforo baabi na obi foforo bi mo be samo ka che na kra metima ka se e ma ho kwan aseda ne bi wo beda obi mo ase a akonya ne wo ho na nche bi wo ho na mo de be sori so a nche na se fo nti starting free madam Lottie na wo wie mama madam Lottie enti SRC for no se mo ye LG you had other schools coming to your schools enti aseda bi wo baabi na mo de be ka ho a
oh yeah the school bia ye man invite to me by asante my Jache Pram so Prempe, woman in boy, Parcoso.
Okay.
Parcoso for Moya dear to do Moka Crab says still.
Yeah.
Do ye the Oma say the woman in sepa.
Nice.
So your friend Oma or mobile. Na ye Bombay is anytime ya almost be friend, you been at time no need to me so about the participate already.
Nice one.
Yeah, the Oma sepa.
Yes, you don't say any just. Adama.
I told Mr. Dear Mackay, you better you rap. 2 force so ase Opemsuo ni ho a nka our voices will not be what heard. Yeah, that's a message use opportunity ya da me headmistress ase on a ma kwan ma adwumadi nyina ye de e course so any teacher say what say when ya kuni na please for a boy am I maintaining good security around the school compound being a girls school no obi buya or partner with us now through the SRC week. Me we free a parents of the school. Komuni wa enka maso. The omu lusu bia wo ye ho yesro mo say erade nye de ensure manem. The obi ahwe wo ye ho no erade nye de onhye na nem medas.
Yes, yeah, that's inti assistant headmistress any house mistress
tutor.
Say me can't on the trouble for na say so you say no na yet. Say I'm sure that coming can no me dey a house no question no. English tutor Madam Lottie Damase Samobaye as I said ha ba be mu fie.